Welcome back to beautiful Anchorage. We're so excited to finally be back here in Alaska, and in today's video we're sharing a couple of life updates, plus we're taking you guys along on our Anchorage Trolley Tour excursion. We're actually comparing two of their tours today for you guys to better decide which one is the best fit for you.
I'm very excited to see some salmon.
So get cozy, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the Anchorage Trolley Tour. The first tour we're doing today is the Deluxe City Tour. Even though all the trolley tours tend to have hilarious drivers,
was Alaska City, Alaska. That's the limit of our creativity.
the Classic Tour and this Deluxe Tour are somewhat similar. They both drive past the Alaska Railroad Depot, the Anchorage West High School, and the specially hidden underground house. The main difference is that on the Deluxe Tour, you actually get to get off the trolley to explore and take some photos. Like at Earthquake Park, where you can see the physical before and after effects of the earthquake in 1964. We've made it to our first official stop other than Ship Creek, where we can get out and stretch. So we thought we would share with you guys our first life update, which is, most of you have probably guessed this or seen it on our other socials, but we've officially moved back to Anchorage, Alaska. Which is why for the past 2 weeks we've made our way over 3,000 miles, with the help of our parents of course, through Canada and along the Alaska Highway, lugging a giant U-Haul with all of our stuff. We can't wait to share more of this incredible state with you guys. We're so thankful to be calling it home again. And even though we have no international adventures planned, which is the first time in 2 years, we are beyond excited. Let's just say we already have some pretty epic adventures planned. Stop number 2 for us to get out and explore is right here at Lake Hood, aka Float Plane Central.
Welcome to Alaska. That's the taxiway, that's the runway.
With 1 in 5 Alaska residents being able to fly a plane, Lake Hood really is the largest and busiest seaplane base in all of North America. There are 1,000 planes parked along the lake and over 200 daily takeoffs and landings, easily making it one of the top attractions here in Anchorage. Which also means it's life update number 2. So as you guys know, we've actually moved back to Anchorage now, and we've officially bought our very own first condo. We were initially looking for houses, but we settled on this perfect condo. However, that means we're doing a ton of updates, and if you see white in my hair, I promise it's paint and not dandruff. Even though our Deluxe City Tour is over, we've still got the adorable Salmon Express to show you all.
I think we got a parking ticket. Pro tip, don't park here unless you for sure know you'll be back in time.
We ended up stopping at Red Umbrella, which is hands down the best place to try a famous Anchorage reindeer dog, which is actually made with reindeer meat. It's literally on the same block as the Anchorage Trolley Tour, and they are delicious. They have punch cards if you're planning to come a couple of times, and this is one stop I'd highly recommend. As we chow down on our reindeer dogs in preparation for our next tour, I thought this would be the perfect time to go over all 3 of the Anchorage Trolley Tour options. Well, 4 if you count their winter tour, but we're not. Your first 2 options are the Classic and Deluxe City Tours, which we mentioned earlier. The Classic Tour is perfect for visitors that are in a bit of a time crunch, and the Deluxe Tour is perfect for anyone who wants to truly experience the city. The third is the Salmon Express. Technically not a trolley, but in a nutshell, the perfect tour for anyone wanting to learn more about local fishing culture. We'll show you more of this tour in a bit. Every Anchorage Trolley Tour comes with this awesome coupon book, so I convinced Tyler to do some shopping until our next trolley tour. I ended up getting the cutest little guy as a bear, dressed as a moose. I thought I would put it at my new desk, which brings us to life update number 3. Meaning we're going back to work full-time. This is the first time we're both going back to work since we left Alaska 2 years ago. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to be back in the classroom. I'll be teaching 2nd grade this year instead of 3rd, so it'll be a bit of a change, but I'm pretty excited.
And I love the airport so much this winter that I've got a job at the airport with Signature up here in Alaska, so I'm excited to work at the airport again.
We've made it onto the Salmon Express, which, spoiler, is not actually a trolley, but it has taken us all the way here to the hatchery, which is apparently the largest in North America.
Our tour bus driver said we go this way, up to the waterfall, and then in the hatchery, and then out this way. So let's go check it out.
The William Jack Hernandez Sport Fish Hatchery is actually the largest sport fish hatchery in all of North America. It stinks.
It does stink.
As you explore at your own pace, you can learn all about the 5 types of salmon, their life cycle, and the hatchery's impact, while seeing it all in action.
Look at all the salmon, I found them.
If you're wanting to learn more about local fishing techniques, rules and regulations, or just wanting to see some of the Alaska salmon in action, then this is definitely the tour for you. You're an egg. As we wait for our trolley back to downtown Anchorage, I thought I would share with you guys our last and final life update, which is that instead of doing our weekly videos that we've been doing since we started this channel, back when we started our world trip, we'll be cutting it down to about 1 to 2 videos a month. Our plan is to share one new city or one new activity for you guys to enjoy right here in Alaska, and we honestly just can't wait to share more of this beautiful state with you guys. As always, we appreciate you watching. For a full list and details on each of the trolley tours, make sure to check out the links below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next month. Bye.